If you are suffering from any chronic disease like multiple sclerosis, Hashimoto's thyroiditis, or rheumatoid arthritis, and you are taking anti-inflammatory drugs for that, start eating this pickle. You will slowly wean off those dangerous drugs. Assalamu alaikum wonderful people. I am Dr. Asma Mahmood and I have taught how to use turmeric in delicious tasty recipes many times before. I have taught how to make ice cream with turmeric. Also I have taught how to make halwa with the turmeric. To view all these recipes you have to subscribe to our channel so that your food is so healthy that you don't need any medicine at all. So today we will make pickle out of fresh turmeric. The winter season is almost over and we need to preserve this powerhouse of healthy nutrients that is a treatment for many diseases. So I am pickling 1 kg of turmeric. You can increase the recipe as per your liking. So first of all, grate your turmeric. If you are using a hand grater, make sure your hands are covered with gloves, otherwise everything will become yellow. You can also cut it up in the form of julienne cuts, but that takes long. Anyway, once you cut up your turmeric, put it in sunlight for about 6 hours. And in the meantime, collect all these spices. We need dried ginger powder, some salt, some mustard seed powder, some asafoetida and red chili powder, some fennel seed powder, fenugreek seed powder, mustard oil, lemon juice, and black pepper and zira cumin powder. If you think I've gone through all this list very quickly, wait for the end. I'll share the recipe card at the end also. Now put your mustard oil in the pan and add all these spices one by one. The heat should be low. We just need to crackle all these spices and mix them well. And if you don't find seed powders, it is much better that if you get the whole spices and you grind them up yourself. Your pickle will be more aromatic this way. Anyway, once you have mixed up all the spices, just add the grated turmeric and now mix it well. Make sure the flame is low, not very high. We don't want to burn all these spices. Once mixed well, now take it off the flame. Once off the flame, now add the lemon juice. Lemon juice will not only make our pickle tangy, it is also a preservative. It has citric acid in it. So make sure you mix it well, and once you have mixed the lemon juice well, now put it for 2 days in sunlight again. And voila, your pickle is ready. Now to preserve it for long, for 6 to 7 months, add it in an airtight container and cover it with mustard oil. Make sure that whenever you use a pickle from this jar, use a dry spoon or fork. No drop of water should enter your pickle, otherwise your pickle will get bad. Someone has put amla pickle in this turmeric pickle. I have also taught how to make amla pickle. On our channel, you will always find recipes of foods that are not only tasty, they will help you get rid of your medicines. So do subscribe to our channel. Anyway, the best way to take turmeric is to take it with some fat and some black pepper. And we have added all those things in our pickle, as you can see. The benefits of turmeric have been studied since long. And once you take it for any disease, you will experience some side health benefits. So if you're sick and tired of the drugs you have been taking for so long, it is time to switch to natural foods and experience side benefits instead of side effects. And you can also make it and sell it if you want. It is something very healthy that you can contribute for your society. And if you decide to make and sell, do let me know. I'll add your contact number in the description box below. Anyway, do let me know in the description box below how much kg of turmeric pickle did you make and how much did you like it. Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.